This video shows how you can add devices to a Square account without actually giving them access to your Square account or creating specific user accounts or adding them as employees, but basically letting somebody add a device to your account to be able to take payments on your behalf. And this is really helpful when you're doing fundraising events and things like that. So basically you log into your Square account and you're going to click Account and Settings, and then you're going to go to Business and you're going to click on Devices, and you're going to add a device. And then you can create a nickname for that device. So you can say register 1, and you click done. And then over on the upper right corner, you're going to say create. And that's going to create a user code, a sign-in code that you can see right here. And then if you want, you can click an email or phone. So you could type in the email address of somebody, which would invite them to download the app and give them the code. Or you could send it to their phone number by typing in their phone number. And then that would send them, basically you just click the send button once that's entered, that would send them the information. You can also give them this code verbally, which is a little bit harder, or you could email it or however you wanted to send it to them. But once you have that information, you can go to the device and you're going to use this code. So if I go from here, then I could go to Square, and what I'm going to do is say sign in, and then I'm going to say use a device code. That's how you get to that. And that's what the person would enter. This is what would show up in the email if you sent it to them. Then you click sign in, and I'm automatically going to have access to that account. So now I can start taking payments for that business based off that device code. So if you look, I don't really have any access to anything, but I can basically take payments on behalf. So if I go to the hamburger, I can look at some different things, but really not much. So I have a little bit of access, but like not this near the same access I had when I clicked on accounts and settings in the other one. And